Hi, welcome to Fratello INTERSECT, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, I am here to explain about the set of operators from MySQL. So these operators are used to combine the result of two or more select statements into a single result set. So here we have different types of set operators: union, union all, and intersect, and minus or except. So these set operators are used to combine the same. Suppose if you take when you take the banking systems, use it to combine the savings account of the customers and current account customers using, and in the e-commerce applications, they combine online orders or offline orders into a single report. So if you take employee management system, they merge employees list from different branches using the union operator, and in college databases, they combine students from different departments into one list. So in the hospital and telecom systems and report systems, so and travel systems, travel booking systems and inventory systems and in HR systems. So so if you want to combine the result from multiple queries into a single result set, so we are using these set operators. Everywhere we are using these set operators as we used arithmetic operators and logical operators. So same like that we are using set operators in all applications. So here we have union, union all, and intersect, and minus or except. So each and every operator has its own purpose. So so the set operators having some rules like the number and order of the columns must be same. So the data types must be compatible. So see that. So here we have union operator. This operator is used to combine the result of two select statements into a single result set. So when we combine that, it will return the unique values. So it will delete the duplicate result. So here some queries are there. So write a query to combine the students from student A who are majoring in computer science or biology and have marks greater than 85 with the students from student B who are majoring in physics and mathematics and have marks greater than 50. So here we are searching for the marks in particular specific subjects from two tables. So now I'm going to write the query for that. So to combine two select statements, we need two tables like this. See that student 1 is there and student 2 is there. So I'm combining these result from both tables. So select. So here we have given some subject names. So in the table we have department like subject. Suppose I am taking select start from student 1. So where we are searching in specific subjects. So where subject means here we have to take the department. So where department in, for example, I am taking CSC and ME. So marks greater than, so by using the AND operator, I'm combining the conditions. So marks greater than 80 I'm taking from first table. So and from second table, so select star from student 1. So where department in IT and CSC. and marks greater than 90 I am taking. So here we have written two select statements from both tables. So now I am combining these results by using the union. Here you have to mention the union. So it will return only unique records from both tables. See that? So after combining, the result is, so look at the result. So it has combined both result set from both tables. So union all combines the result of two or more select statements into a single result set. So here when we are using the union all operator, so the so it will include the eliminated it will include the duplicate rows from both tables if you are using union all operator. So let me combine the result from both tables by using the union all. Select star from student 1 and so use union all and select star from student 2. So just select the query and execute. See that? So it includes the duplicates. See that? 104 is is in first table and 104 ID is in second table. So it includes the duplicate rows from both tables. So next operator is intersect. So it is used to combine two select statements but only returns records which are common from both select statements. So it will return common records from both tables. See that write a query to combine both the tables to get the common records. For example, if you take the remarks, so inventory inventory when we are using these operator inventory we can combine both the result from both tables. So if you take the dmart, so dmart has many branches, so if you combine all the branches, so it will return all the records from all the dmart warehouses. So you can use that example. So now I am retrieving common records from both tables. So select student 1. So here I am using intersect. Select star from student 2. Just select the query and execute. So it will return common records. The common record is 103. So it is in the student. Sorry, here you have to use the student 2. Just use student 1. See that the common record 103 is in student 1 and so 103 is in student 2. So all the columns match from both tables. So and one more operator is minus or except. So these returns rows from the first select statements that are not present in the second select statement. So here it will return unmatching records from both tables. So see that unmatching records when we are using except or minus. Select star from student 1 except select star from student 2. So here we have two tables. So except will return unmatching rows. So these are the unmatching rows from both tables. so which are present in the first table but absent in the second table. So in this way we are using the set operators. So set operators are used to combine the result from one or more select statements. So just remember that the rules, the number and order of the columns must be same when we are using the set operators. So the data types must be compatible. So remaining operators we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.